gotta be kidding me. Mikey's like, I'm gonna go find us something fun to shoot. You know, something we don't care about, we could shoot with the green tips. Wait till I get over here, you see what this guy found. You're gonna fucking die. I'm like, yeah, what could he find that we could shoot in the dump? How is about a fucking lawnmower? Hell yeah, I'll shoot a fucking lawnmower.
Oh yeah, she's fucking mint shoot at Montgomery Ward. Look at that.
Shit.
This thing's probably priceless.
Yeah, maybe. Let's
I kind of feel like you should fill it with gas and light it on fire first.
pour gas on the mower and then just shoot it until it catches fire.
Let's fill up the tank too, of course. Yeah.
I like that.
We've got gas.
What? What? See if I got gas?
Yes.
Yeah.
You take the first
You
shot?
know what? Go for it, Mikey. Let's see what happens. Woohoo!
Right, I've seen some stuff move. Go ahead, you can take the second bomb.
All right, thank you, sir. Do appreciate it.
I hit the big dog. That's what I That scared me.
Was it my turn?
Yep, that'd be your turn. First charge with your new Radian Raptor there, huh?
Feels good.
Oh, yeah.
Safe. Okay.
Are you ready?
I see a little smoke come on.
I did too.
Whoa!
Oh, Mikey got it! Hey, we got a little fire left side we should work on. Let's go save your candle.
Yeah. Oh, the candle! We got tape.